Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video from my channel Trains Big and Small. I wanted to show you yet another Marklin HO steam locomotive that I had recently purchased for my collection of them, which I've been gradually building up over the past year. And this time it's a special MHI steam locomotive of the BR01, or the Ballrail 01. In DB, it's in Era 3, and it comes in the steel blue and in a very, very big box. I mean, this is a very big box. Like, compare that to the regular box, which is something like this. If I back it out, like, huge difference in the packaging. It's so much wider and thicker. But anyway, this was just released from the MHI meeting this year, and let's open it up. It's very tight fit. This locomotive has MFX sound decoder and sound. The picture of the locomotive, as you can see, this time is in color rather than black and white. I have to take this off and take that out of the way. There it is. Sorry about the reflection. It also comes with, let's get this out, the display track. You can see the writing on it for MHI and the date. And this is the K track. You can even see it even has the center studs. So they just obviously used two pieces of K track and put the two together right in the middle. You can see the joints, and put it down there. Actually, it's better to get it out of the way. Pull off the main attraction here, which is the locomotive. Put that there. Just do some quick organizing. Underneath, I haven't even gotten to the instructions yet. There's the guarantee. Yeah, this warranty. There's the instructions. Locomotive picture once again is in color, and of course it's the Marklin 39009. I'll put that back there. And there's the in the cab mode for the world of operation. More locomotives are coming with that feature, interestingly. We'll bring this beast into the picture. Now you have to slide off this. It's interesting. Put that away. Sides come off. This is all plastic. This time the locomotive comes with the smoke generator. You see it's in there. And these are the detail parts for the pistons. These are mainly for display purposes only, but there's the smoke generator, so you can just put it right in the funnel when you're done. We'll put that aside. Open her up. This engine is very well packed, and actually there's a lot of packing materials. Now this is in the fictitious blue, because Deutsche Bundesbahn didn't have the blue paint scheme. Let's clear this off. And there it is, right there. So it is a 4-6-2 wheel arrangement with the normal Schlepptender. And you can see all of the piping along the sides. It's got the Witt smoke deflectors. It's not the Wagoner. And it's in the blue. But the front of the locomotive smoke box area, this is still black. And of course you have your driving wheels and all the wheels. And underneath is still in red. We'll take it out. And get this out of the way before this causes any trouble. Put that off to the side. But there it is. There's just a little bit of particles on the smoke deflector. But there's the front, still in black. We'll center this here for you. And there's the other side with a different piping. And you can see the engine number there. Still quite a bit of dust there on the side, but that just basically slides right off. One more view. There's the lettering on the back, on the side of the tender and on the back. Rear lights. Now this locomotive has all the sound functions, and it does have the inside the cabin. You can actually see the red fire roaring in there. So there's a red LED light in there. So let's put it on the track and see how it goes. I'll get her going for the very first time around the main line. Okay guys, I got the trains on the track. I got everything nice and organized here. So the blue BR1 is obviously on the left, and a recently acquired BR094 tank engine is on the right, and you'll hear the sound of the tank engine within the first few minutes of this video. I'll go through the sound functions with you for the blue BR01. And I also have it coupled up to a passenger train as well, so we'll get the lights on first, and general operating sounds, long whistle, and then I'll do short whistle. Steam release. One of the two versions of coal shoveling. There are some more sounds for you, including the stationary sound, injector, conductor's whistle. I also have the brake squeal activated, so we'll hear it as I bring the locomotive to a grinding halt. The brake squeal is different on this model, the sound is, when compared to other models. And I'll get the BR94, get her lights on, and have her running following the passenger train that I already have set up. And let's take her off. Okay folks, I'll get the BR094 going here, and we'll get her sounds going. You can hear the clickety clacking from the passenger train as it just, oh, there it goes. There was a steam release for that one. And let's get the BR94 running with its passenger train.
Wagen also Luft? Nein. Verstanden.